Hello, this is our new Analog Discovery 3 digital oscilloscope device. Today we are going to check it if it works properly before accepting the payment to the seller. Firstly, we'll connect the Type-C cable from the device to the laptop, which is fine now. And secondly, from this webpage, cloud.digilent.com, I've chosen Analog Discovery 3 and downloaded the software, which is called Waveforms. Waveforms for Windows 64-bit. After installing it, here is the software. Waveforms new workspace is open now, and you can see some channels from here. So let's check the device by using the Waveform software. To do that, I just click on documentation, then getting started guide. So from this guide, we'll go all the way down. Okay, from Analog Discovery Getting Started Guide. So we're going all the way down from overview, inventory, unboxing, down to here. Take a measurement. Let's try this. So plug in your Analog Discovery, which is already done by Type-C USB cable. And secondly, set up a loopback circuit. Plug the yellow wire, waveform generator 1, into the orange wire, which is oscilloscope channel 1 positive. Plug and black wire, down arrow, symbol ground, into the orange wire with the white stripe. Let's do that. Firstly, let's connect the wire loop into the device. It's done. And from this sketch, so we can see that a waveform W1 will be connected to orange 1 plus, scope channel 1 positive. Right, it's done. W1 to +1 orange, yellow to orange. Right, and then black wire with down arrow will be connected to, let's read it, black wire, any black wire, into the orange wire with the white stripe, 1 minus, which is oscilloscope channel 1 negative. Let's find it. Right, orange with white stripe, scope channel 1 negative is this one. Right, orange with white stripe will be connected to any black, which is ground, the black wire. Let's do it. Okay, connection is ready. Yeah, as you see. And the web page says launch waveforms. Waveforms is already launched, and upon launch, waveforms will automatically detect and connect to the Analog Discovery 3. If the Analog Discovery is not connected to the host computer when waveforms launches, the device manager will be launched. Make sure that the device is plugged in and turned on, which is okay, at which point it will appear in the device manager's device list. Click on the device list to select it, then click the select button to close the device manager. Yeah, this is it. It's done in our thing. So yes, as you see, Discovery 3, USB, blah 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 blah, and it's connected. There's an important note in here. Demo devices are also listed, which is, as you see here, they're also demo devices. So which allow the user to use waveforms and create projects without a physical device. Without a device, you can run it. The device manager can be opened by clicking on the device identify button at the bottom of window 3, which is here, and or by selecting device manager from the settings menu at the top of the screen. Okay, let's go down. Then we should click on WaveGen. Let's do it. Okay, WaveGen instrument is on now. Click on its button in the instrument pane on the left side. So we did it. And after that, what it says is leave all settings as defaults and click the green arrow at the top of the window to play the wave. Okay, let's run it. Let's run it. WaveGen run. So it is running now. Then the web page says using plus button on the welcome tab, open the scope instrument. Okay, there is a welcome button and scope. Open the scope instrument. Yeah, it is here. So WaveGen is here, scope is here. And without changing anything, we will just say run. So when we said run, okay, so this is our signal generated, and this is our oscilloscope capturing the signal. Very good, excellent. So as you see, it's 1 volt, minus 1 volt. Very good. Let's check from the wave generator. Is it 1 volt? Yeah. You see, 1 volt to 1 volt. Let's change it from 1 to 2. Two volts. Let's check the scope. Oh yeah, it is 2 volts now. Let's change the waveform from sinus to square. Let's go to the scope. Oh yeah, it's 2 volts, square wave. Excellent. Device works. Let's try something different. In here, there's also a noise signal. Let's check from the scope. That's interesting. WaveGen, the signal and scope. Okay. Right, this is the noise signal with this parameters, and let's see the scope from here. As you see, the oscilloscope is catching the noise signal from the wave generator. This is an amazing device indeed. It has signal generator and oscilloscope in it, and also all the other things like supplies, voltmeter, logger, logic, patterns, static I/O, spectrum, network, impedance, tracer, protocol, script, all such things. Right, so this is enough for now. Goodbye.